Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. I'm up at the north end of Hickory Boulevard on Hickory Island. This is what's left of little Hickory Beach Park. Nothing here now, my friends, nothing here. Very, very sad. I walked all the way up Bonita Beach from docks this morning. If you go back on Facebook, you can check out my live feeds from this morning, the replays of this morning's beach walk, and you can see what Bonita Beach looks like. Sad, 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 but just wanted to let you see what the park looks like. Nothing left of it, nothing. All right, hit that share button. Thanks for watching. Tally ho, my friends, tally ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Rob Stan. God bless.